Hi guys, today I received these Larissa 30 School whiskey glasses for reviewing purposes. And well, first of all, look at the sleek design of the box. It has this nice skull on the top. These are actually what are called the old-fashioned glasses because you can prepare the old-fashioned cocktail on them. What I think about this package is it's a pair of glasses, not just one. As you can see, it has the skull printed, well, sculpted on the bottom of the glass. It's not like sculpted in here up above. And as I've said, these are two cups. They're quite nice. They are good weight. I like that. So I'm going to try them. Actually, like my whiskey a little chilled, so I'm gonna throw this one of these onto the freezer a couple of minutes so it's chilled, and then I'll come back and use them. Okay, so here I am with the chilled glass. I'll take a bit of whiskey and pour it in, just like that. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to, the freeze effect is starting to go down while my drink is getting colder. It's a really nice glass. You can differentiate how big it is. Very quality build. And I don't know if you could see, but the skull design, well, it's shield, it's amazing. So, cheers. But yeah, these glass are awesome. You can give them to your dad or someone you know, like a birthday present, something like that. It's a great present. I would love if someone had give them to me. Yeah, they're great glass.